In this video, I'm excited to guide you through the process of effortlessly crafting a Facebook post. Watch the video to the end to avoid mistakes and of course show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel. And now, let's dive in. To begin, fire up your Facebook app and ensure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the What's on Your Mind section at the top. This will open up the post creating tool, offering a plethora of options to jazz up your post. Firstly, let's add some text. Simply tap on the text box to bring up your keyboard and start typing away. If you fancy adding a bit of layer, you can utilize the shortcuts toolbar to incorporate the background for your text. Alternatively, if you prefer a clean and simple look, switch to the default option. Now swipe up to access additional features. You can add photos or videos to your post with ease. Want to tag someone? No problem. Tap on Tag People to select friends from your list and give them a shout-out. Feeling expressive? Add a feeling or activity to your post from a wide array of options. Whether you're feeling ecstatic or just chilling with friends, there is a feelings for every occasion. Don't forget to check in. By tapping on the location icon, you can add your current whereabouts to your post. If you are attending an event, don't forget to tag it for your added visibility. And before hitting that post button, ensure you configure your privacy settings according to your preferences. Wherever you want your post visible to the public, friends, or specific individuals, it's all customizable. You can also add your post to an album or toggle the option to share your Facebook post on Instagram if you have both accounts linked. And there you have it. Once you are satisfied with your masterpiece, simply hit post or share to unleash it onto your Facebook profile. Voila! Your post is now live for the world to see. If you find this video helpful, show some love by smashing that like button. And thanks for watching.